So I was asked how these doll curlers work. I'm Busy Bee from Germany. I'm a long-time Barbie collector and a Barbie dog for almost 10 years. This channel is more than your one-stop Barbie repair workshop. I have shown you these doll curlers in one of my last videos, but how do they exactly work? That's what I'm going to cover in this short video. For comparison, I have here a human curler you can see with a long rubber band, and that's exactly what this rubber band and a second one here are simulating. Now let's use an end paper. I simply wrap the hair in end paper so that I have better control of my ends. Then we put the curler around the paper, then curl it up. So this is the second one. We just have to use the other one to close it. That's my elastic for clothing the curler. It's not always so easy because you have only two hands. And with this elastic you can decide whether you want the curl to be up or down. So if you want it up, then you do it this direction and then it can't go anywhere. Exactly like this one here. So I hope you understand what my curlers do and why we need two elastics here.